welcome back to my channel, or I should say welcome to my channel. Not that it's my new channel, I created it a long time ago, but I didn't do it back then. But now I'm finally doing it and I'll be regular. So first of all, I want to say I hope you all are doing good, you all are fine. Please stay home guys, please stay safe. And now about the vlog. So today's vlog is about my little sister's birthday. She's turning 9 tomorrow and today is 6, and I started this vlog today because I wanted her to cut the cake at 12 as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, as we all know about the lockdown situation, I could not bring her that many gifts. I do got her one gift, like I got it from Flipkart, and I could not get more, like because nowadays Flipkart, Amazon and apps like that are delivering essentials only. So yeah, but we'll try our best, and we'll try to celebrate as good as we can. So
I talked to my mom and bought some stuff, and I would like to show you guys what that stuff is. It's obviously things related to cake, like we have got gems here, and we have got Oreos, and Oreos, yeah, some Oreos. Chocolate for obviously making the cake nice, and some more biscuits, and some more biscuits, and to Kit Kat, so that we can, just decorate it a little nice, yeah. And wow, obviously it is used in cake. And yeah, we have what is it? We have a toffee, and I'm eating it. Toffee which is it?
So it's time to go to the kitchen and help my mom. Actually, I'll try to help my mom because I don't know how to cook or bake, but I'll try to help her as much as I can, and I'll learn for sure. So let's get into the kitchen. Hi, so okay, the kitchen is obviously a mess right now because it's dinner time as well. So here we are doing just middle class family jugaads. So actually we really don't have a oven or a microwave because we never felt the need of it. But yeah, we are really feeling the need of it now. But it's okay, we can still do it.
We'll put our batter in this, the cake batter in this, and yeah, my mom is struggling.
Okay, so now I'll have my dinner, and we have put the batter in the cooker and we let it cook for I guess 30 to 40 to 50 minutes, or I don't know exactly, my mom knows it. So yeah, I'll have my dinner and then I'll catch you guys.
Okay, so I'm back and I'm done with my dinner, and now we'll go in the kitchen and see what. We'll see what. We'll see the cake, obviously. Yeah.
So I'm in the kitchen and I guess the cake is ready. I mean, not exactly the cake. I don't know what it is called. So yeah. Ooh, it looks nice. And here we are making what we are making here. I really don't know. Okay, so again we are here with some middle class family jugaads, and yeah, let's see what we are doing now. Okay, the chocolate and cream has started melting. हाय गाइस, तो केक का हो चुका है लेमन, मतलब क्योंकि वो निकल नहीं पाया, थोड़ा चिपक गया, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिक्स इट. So when I'll fix it, I'll show it to you guys. Okay, तो guys, as I told you कि केक का लेमन हो चुका था, but I tried my best जितना मैं कर सकती थी. So here's the cake. I know it's not good at all, but it's made with feelings and love. So it's going to work out. Okay, so here's how the cake looks like. Basically, the cake was totally broken, like from the sides you can see the mess, but I tried my best. Okay, so guys, I have put the cake in the fridge like for a while. It's 9 yeah, it's 9:38 right now. So obviously there is a lot of time अभी 12 बजने में. So when we'll cut the cake, I'll show it to you guys. Till then, okay, so it's 11:52 right now, and we are going to cut the cake at 12. So
Why am I excited? He should be excited. It's her birthday. Whatever.
Two 2,000 years later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Niyati. Happy birthday to
happy birthday to you.
Wow!
Okay, so hi guys. So we have cut the cake. Actually, not we. She has cut the cake, and the birthday girl is here. Okay, so her name is Niyati, and yeah, it's her birthday.
Okay, so now I'm going to call it a night. It's already 12:05 actually. So I'll meet you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, so it's 11:32 right now, and I just woke up. So now we are going to have our breakfast, and then I'll take shower, and then I'll meet you guys. Okay, तो guys, मैंने कुछ सामान मंगाया था फ्लिपकार्ट से, ऐसे छोटा मोटा, तो वो आ चुका है.
Here is it: pineapple, some chips, watermelon, and Coke because it's my sister's birthday.
Okay guys, so now I'm done with my breakfast, and now I'm going to take shower with my shower buddy. It's not sponsored. Well, whatever. So I have taken the shower. I know I have taken the shower very late. It's 2:20 right now. Very late. So now we are going to decorate the room, and let me take you to the preparations. Hi guys, so now we are going to decorate this room, exactly this wall, and she's my friend Nidhi, and she's here to help me with the decorations, and she will celebrate her birthday with us. You want to say something? Hello to hello guys. Okay, so now let's start the decoration.
हमने बहुत सारे जो है बैलून्स फुला लिए हैं, तो अब हम लेंगे थोड़ा सा ब्रेक और अब हम खाएंगे मैगी। मम्मी इसमें देखो, आपने हमारे लिए मैगी बनाई है, थैंक यू। एक बार देखो, हेलो बोलो। शी इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड। तो अब हम भेजेंगे स्नैप, क्योंकि स्नैप भेजना बहुत जरूरी है भाई। रोने दिल का किया जो हशर, असल ये हुआ। खा ले। पार्क हो गई।
Hi guys, so we have almost क्या कहते हैं उसको, फुला लिए हमने ऑलमोस्ट बलून्स। तो अब हम इन्हें लगाएंगे।
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आफ्टर द डेकोरेशन वाली, आफ्टर द डेकोरेशन वाली। तो अगर आपको डेकोरेशन करवानी हो तो हमें कांटेक्ट करें। तो गाइस, अभी मैंने टाइम लैप्स कर रखी थी वीडियो, और यहाँ पे जो था वो फूट गया और मैं बहुत तेज चिल्लाई। थैंक गॉड वो जो टाइम लैप्स वाली थी, थैंक गॉड मेरा चिल्लाना आप लोगों को नहीं सुनाई दिया।
दिल जाता है तो खतरनाक। मेनू पसंद आई हुई रख लूं, जस को तुमसे नाल प्यार होगा। मेरी ने मेनू पसंद आई हुई रख लूं, कोई गल आमदी देखी होना मेनू दस जान तेरे दिल विच की। Okay, so hi guys, we are done with the decoration and now we wanted to eat something
like kind of snack. So we are eating momos and we'll steam it. We haven't made momos in home. Actually बाहर से है frozen food kind of. तो अभी we'll steam it.
Here's our momos and we are going to put this whole thing here and Nidhi is helping us. Hi Nidhi. Hi. So guys, momos are ready and have a look.
So yes, the momos look pretty good. Now we'll have it and then we'll get ready for the birthday celebration. And yeah.
So it's a Coke time guys. Hi guys, so now we are going to celebrate her birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Niyati. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so now we have cut the cake and we are going to eat. We ordered some food from Domino's and my mom made some veg pulao or whatever you call it. So we are done with our dinner and the birthday went pretty well, and now I'm going to give my sister a birthday gift which I bought for her. So let's go. Happy birthday.
थैंक यू बहुत अच्छा है.
So guys, I'm very happy because she liked her gift. Actually, she's more into stationery. Even I like stationery a lot, stationery things a lot. So she loves watercolors and all type of colors, clays, things like that. So I thought of gifting that to her. It's basically a kit which includes everything in it, even drawing book, a register, pen, pencil, like everything. It has everything in it, and I bought it for 300 something, which was a steal deal. I got it from Flipkart, and it just came in a day. So now we are going to dance and play, and then I'll end this vlog.
ਟਿਕਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਰਾਹ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਲੈ ਸ਼ਰਾਬੀ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਛੁੱਟਲੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੋੜਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਸ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਬੜਾ ਬੇਈਮਾਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ लगता है तुम जरूरत हो गाँव में घूमेगा बहुओं में तकरार जब मैं हवा की तरह करूं सामने की गुट गले में
Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it about today's vlog. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also guys, stay at home, stay safe, get vaccinated ASAP, people who are above 18, and don't go outside until and unless it's very 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 important. And do sanitize yourself, do wash your hands. Also let me know in the comment section कि आप किस टाइप का कंटेंट या किस टाइप का वीडियोस व्लॉग्स मेरे चैनल पर देखना चाहते हैं, एंड आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं वो कंटेंट क्रिएट कर पाऊँ, वो वीडियोस लाऊँ. एंड yeah, that's pretty much it. Please let me know in the comment section what you guys will love to see on my channel. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, and for that you have to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to do that, and also follow me on Instagram. My username is _yamix_, and if you don't get it, I'll be mentioning it on the screen. So do follow me on Instagram, to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.